Hello! I want to talk to you today about some troublesome transitions. These are some words that we use to show the relationship between ideas, but sometimes people learning English make some errors with them. Let's get started. So first, let's talk about differences between conjunctions and prepositions. A preposition is followed by a noun, and a conjunction is followed by a subject-verb combination. As an example, we can look at ask for. For is followed by just a noun, that's a preposition. And then ask if is a conjunction, so that's followed by a subject-verb combination. Here's an example. What are some things children ask for? Do children ask for vegetables? No, not usually. Children don't ask for vegetables. How about gifts? Do children ask for gifts? Yes, children ask for gifts. What about more homework? Do children ask for more homework? No, not usually. How about dessert? Do children ask for dessert? Yes, children sometimes ask for dessert. How about household chores? Do children ask for household chores? No, they don't ask for household chores. What about money? Do children ask for money? Yes, they like to ask for money. So now we'll move on to ask if, which is followed by a subject and verb. So children ask if they can play in the water. So do children ask if they can go to bed early? No, not usually. Do children ask if they can clean the house? No, at least my kids don't ask if they can clean the house. Do children ask if they can have dessert? Yes, children ask if they can have dessert. Do children ask if they can play with friends? Yeah, they ask if they can play with friends. How about video games? Do children ask if they can play video games? Yes, children ask if they can play video games. And do homework. Do children ask if they can do homework? No, children don't ask if they can do homework. So here's some discussion questions you can talk about with your friends. What are some more things kids ask for? What are some more things kids ask if they can do? What do bosses ask for? What do employees ask if they can do? What do teachers ask for? And what do students ask if they can do? Let's move on to lesson 2, where we'll talk about because and because of. So with because, it's followed by a subject and verb, and because of is followed by a noun. So, why did they cancel the picnic? Because it was raining, so that's a subject and verb. It was raining. Why did they cancel the picnic? Because of the rain. And here we have hungry, which is an adjective, and hunger, which is a noun. Why did she eat the dessert? Because she was hungry? Or why did she eat the dessert? Because of her hunger. Next we'll talk about despite and even though. With despite and even though, those give unexpected result. Despite is a preposition followed by just a noun, and even though is followed by a subject and verb. So when it's raining, do we usually go for a walk? Probably not. So it'd be unexpected to go for a walk. So here we say, I'm going for a walk even though it's raining, or I'm going for a walk despite the rain. And here we have hot, which is an adjective, and heat, which is a noun. He is running despite the heat. Or he is running even though it's hot. Now we have the girl looking at her watch because she is on time. She's on time, but you can see lots and lots of traffic here. So it's unexpected to be on time when there's lots of traffic. So she was on time even though there was lots of traffic, or she was on time despite all the traffic. Let's do some practice. We played basketball the rain. We can see the rain is a noun, so that's going to be despite. We played basketball despite the rain. I ate a cheeseburger. I wasn't hungry. I can see I wasn't hungry, so that's going to be even though because it's a subject-verb combination. I ate a cheeseburger even though I wasn't hungry. I failed the class, my hard work. My hard work is a noun phrase, so I failed the class despite my hard work. We went shopping the snowstorm. We went shopping despite the snowstorm. We went shopping, it was snowing. We went shopping even though it was snowing. I passed the test even though I didn't study for it. Let's take our quiz to finish out this lesson. So, she took a break. She was tired. What word can I put in here that shows the relationship between these ideas? And probably it would be because. She took a break because she was tired. Why do you take breaks? Tell me about what you like to do when you take a break. He drives his age. We could say this is a very young person to be driving that nice car. He drives despite his age. He drives despite his age. We want to show with despite that it's unexpected. What do kids often do despite their parents? Tell me about something you did at a younger age than many people. The child asks he can play a video game. What word would go after asks? We can see a subject-verb combination here. So the child asks if he can play video games. What do you ask if you can do? Tell me about a time when you asked if you could do something. We canceled the game, the storm. Which one sounds right? I think it's because of. We canceled the game because of the storm. Do they ever cancel things in your city? Why? Tell me about a time when that happened. All right, we got 100% on the quiz. So today we talked about troublesome transitions. We looked at ask for, ask if, and we looked at because of, despite, and even though. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and thanks for watching the video. Have a great day today.